Welcome to JH. Today, we are going to walk through the process of fixing the RG45 error on chess.com. This is a common hurdle that many members encounter, and it can certainly be quite a nuisance. Usually, the RG45 error points toward an issue regarding your account's history on the platform. This might stem from previous violations of the site's fair play guidelines, or perhaps an account closure triggered by past behavioral issues. Having this context is very important before we move into the actual steps for fixing it. First, let's discuss how you can get in touch with the chess.com support staff to get this sorted out. Start by opening your web browser and entering chess.com into the address bar. When the main homepage loads, scroll down to the bottom left corner of the page. You will see a link for support located there. Clicking on this link will initiate the next phase of your journey toward a resolution. Once you have clicked the support link, a fresh window will pop up on your screen. It is vital to stay on track at this point. Look for and click on the Contact Support option, which serves as your direct gateway to the chess.com help team. As soon as you select this, a new chat interface will appear, asking how the support agents can help you. This is your chance to clearly explain that you are dealing with Error RG45 and that you want to recover your account. Be sure to offer plenty of details to help the support team grasp your situation more effectively. After you have described the problem, mention specifically that your primary goal is to restore your account access. This helps set the right expectations and allows the team to follow the correct procedure. The support staff will then begin investigating the cause of the error to assist you in fixing it. Remember that they are there to help, so stay patient throughout the interaction. To recap, resolving Error RG45 involves visiting the website, navigating to the support link in the bottom left corner, clicking on Contact Support, and explaining your situation clearly. With a bit of patience and direct communication, you will be able to address the error and get back into your account. Thanks for watching, and have fun gaming on chess.com.